So it's a nice evening. Temperature is nice. It's around 68 degrees, something like this. Not bad. Little wind, not really too much. It's a nice day to ride a bike, actually. Yeah, still the roads are still empty. There are just a few cars around. I guess people, they are still working. Yeah, this morning I rode the bike through the canal, and there were a bunch of people actually walking, hiking, running, kids, adult, elderly. Yeah, first day of a really nice day. I mean, it's almost spring, if we can say. Not really spring, but almost. And the people, of course, go out. A lot of people are home from a job because of the lockdown. And they got out from home, so hopefully the weather will be good soon. So at least we can ride the bike and go outside. Yeah, still social distancing is very important to stop the spread. Let's see what's happened. So I'm going down Windsor Road South, coming back home from my office through East Avenue. Yeah, it's pretty impressive. The winter is with a really few cars coming. Usually winter is so always packed in traffic. Yeah, this funny bike lane in the middle. Oh, it's a lot of headwind. And magically disappear. No more bike line. When I'm always here, I really take care of what's happening around, because the cars, they speed up. And this very busy intersection because of the supermarket Wegmans, the plaza, a couple of stores. Oh, it's very windy. Yeah, all East Avenue on this strong headwind. Yeah, let's go. on the final part of the East Avenue, and this is one of the more elegant, if you want to say elegant, street in Rochester, New York. Yeah, there are a lot of big mansions. Yeah, some they become like a museum, so they transform it in like a different luxury apartment complex. Yeah, like this, for example. Look. Some are theater now, some are church. But a lot of people still live there. Yeah, look at this. On East Avenue, there are also the Eastman House. Eastman, for you don't know, it's the person who invented the Kodak, actually, the film Kodak. He was from Rochester, and Rochester is maybe the capital of the world of photography, or at least one of the capital of the world. And the museum is a George Eastman house. So you can see actually his house, how he used to live. His mom, he loved his mom a lot. Look at the mansion. Yeah, it's very windy. Look at the flag. This is the Eastman House, George Eastman House. Yeah, this is only the front of the house, but it's huge mansion. It's actually, you go all on the back, have a beautiful garden. Now, of course, like everything, it's closer. Yeah, museum closer. The final part of East Avenue is also the Movida side, or one of the Movida side of Rochester, where there are all the fancy bar and the pubs and the restaurant. But now everything is closer, so it's pretty sad, but it is what it is. Right now, everybody have to do his part. I don't know if you can see the wind, crazy. I have to push down, to shift down my gear, because it's pretty hard. Yeah, here start all the bar and the movida side. Yeah, this intersection, East Avenue and Alexander, is full of places, bar and a little restaurant, pizza, actually theater, cinema. Yeah, everything is closed. So going down on Main Street, at least now the wind is come from the side and is covered from those buildings. Yeah, actually, again it's a headwind. Okay. So seeing Main Street completely empty, yeah, it's pretty strange. This is Main Street where there are everything. There are the county building, the city building, the Rochester Convention Center, the bigger hotel, or the lot of offices, and usually it's packed. A lot of cars, parked cars, bus. But right now it's empty. Yeah. Everything is closer. You can see the label, how it's moving, the wind, crazy. So guys, let me know in the comment where you are from, how your city is dealing with this coronavirus shutdown. If people are still going around, how is the traffic situation? I have a friend from New York City that told me that they show the pictures of Times Square and Broadway completely empty with no people, but he said that this is empty because all the stores or shops are closed and there are no tourists. But if you go to the Hudson, to the parks, there are tons and tons of people just jogging, barbecuing, partying, picnic. So the New Yorkers look like that some way are responding, but not 100%. So how's the situation in your city? Just let me know. And please help me to grow my channel, so subscribe and just click the notification bell, so every time I upload something, you will know. Okay, here I need to stop. This intersection is crazy. And crazy intersection about very little cars. Yeah, this is the exit, the entrance of the expressway. People come down from Main Street. So usually this intersection is pretty busy. Right now just a few cars. Okay guys, I'm almost home. It was pretty hard. Strong headwind all the time. And I'm a pretty big guy on the mountain bike. So, no aerial for me. Yeah. Okay, thank you very much for watching. See you next time. And please subscribe. Thank you.